PYQs will decide next 20 days how you revise. This is very important. A lot of you must be believing that, okay, I have already done PYQs, but I'll tell you how to use it in the last 20 days, 21 days, 3 weeks, and that will make your revision. So PYQs are a compass because they will refine the revision, and they will bring active recall. In the previous video, I discussed about active recall. In this video, I'll discuss how exactly to use them, and I'll share some questions, sample questions to use them. Now, all of you, if you're a serious aspirant, I want you to follow this video, make notes out of this, follow it regularly, because my students have consistently scored in top rank, rank 4, rank 5, rank 108, rank 163, rank 161, rank 265, and they have consistently done that. I'm just sharing the inputs of strategies, what I've learned from them. Because they don't do more, they do less. If you're doing more, you are doing wrong. You're doing less and effective, that is the requirement. Now, let's understand. So, I have 5 questions. So, in polity, I'll be sharing 5 questions. In every section, I'll have taken 1 question. So, let's say the PYQ of 2019. Consider the following statement about Rajya Sabha. It can be dissolved. Its members have a term of 6 years. The moment you look at, what is the first thing you do? The stem. What is stem? Look at what are the instructions. Is it asking correct or incorrect? That is the first rule. Is it asking correct or is it asking incorrect? The first thing. The moment you know is asking correct or incorrect, so no, it's asking correct. The right option. Okay, fair enough. The next is look for the trap. Trap means wrong information in a very subtle way. The whole statement, the whole word is check for 100% correct statement or 100% incorrect statement. So now here Rajya Sabha dissolved, incorrect. So 1 is out. So moment you see 1 is out, mark it immediately, this is out. Now thereby you can eliminate 1 or 2 option. Now its member have 6-year term. This is right. So 100% correct. Okay. So eliminate 1, usually two options, act fast. Now remember permanent. It implies continuous member rotation. So that is what you can do. You know that Rajya Sabha has 1/3 member retire every 2 years, it's a 6-year term. Now this is how you eliminate the options by using your understanding and common sense knowledge. Now let's go to the second example and that will give you better clarity. Let's take economy. Now economy says which of the following statements about MSP are correct. Okay, so they are asking correct only. Now look at the 100% correct or 100% incorrect option. Okay, who recommends CACP? Who approves CACA? 22 crops. Okay, now this is a basic idea. The UPSC will love if statement says MSP is a floor price. Wrong. It's not a floor price. It's a support price, minimum support price. There is no legal support of that. If statement says all crop, 22 crops. Remove it. CACP is not a statutory body. So CACP is a Committee on Agriculture Prices. It is going to recommend it, and Cabinet Committee of Economic Affairs. It's the highest, strongest body headed by Prime Minister. It will recommend it. Now this is what. Now CACP is not a statutory body. It's not a law body made by the laws of the Parliament. So that way you can easily process the information. Try to look at it. Try to the information. This is correct or not. Read every statement, every word. Look at the wrong information. Look at the wrong information. And moment you say wrong information, any linking with the wrong information statement, make it wrong. So that way you eliminate the option and you arrive at the right answer, even reading lesser in the question itself. So this is what I would always advise. Don't get overwhelmed with these things. Now let's take one more example, environment. Ramsar Convention deals with, now this 2021, conservation of wetland, conservation of migratory birds. So it is wetlands only. So for migratory birds, we have a different convention, Bonn Convention. So what I'll do, that all such conventions, international agreements, laws, make a table of that and write it. So that way you'll remember it. Because you're reading it and you're thinking that I'm revising it. But when you're writing, there is active recall. So wetlands only, not birds. Biodiversity, it's Convention of Biodiversity. So Ramsar information is right. Ramsar 1971, wetlands of international importance, Iran. Now Iran is in news, so we know. In fact, you can go and check where the Ramsar is also. Go and check. Okay. Birds in option, check if it's Ramsar, wetlands, Bonn. You need to know that. Okay, so that is how you can understand. Ramsar, Sar is a lake or wetland in Persian. So that is how the meaning of Ramsar means. Okay? So this is how you are able to identify and use PYQs as filtering the information and question. And when you are solving mocks or the questions, you can apply that. Now let's take a question of geography of 2020. Consider the statement about Western Ghats. Western Ghats lie east of Sahyadri range. Now Sahyadri range and Western Ghats are same. So this statement is wrong. Okay, never east of, they are both of same. Western Ghat, where is Western Ghat? It runs parallel to the west coast. It is a biodiversity hotspot. There are committees like Gadgil Committee and Kasturi Rangan Committee. Now they were in news also. Okay. So east-west directional traps are there. UPSC will always find some trap. Some one word will be wrong. One statement would be wrong. 100% correct statement. Look at 100% correct statement. Look for the wrong word, trap word, extreme word. Very important. Extreme word. Only. All. Okay. So when you look at the extreme word, you can identify, because normally extreme words are incorrect. So these are things that you need to remember. These are things that you practice it. You have to apply your brain. If you're not applying it, things will not work. Because UPSC in prelims about knowledge, application of knowledge, confidence and decision making. Are you confident? Decision making is very important in real time. So these things will actually anchor and help you reach the right option, and that is how things will be. Now current affairs, science and tech. 2023. Consider the following about mRNA. mRNA alter human DNA. No, they don't alter DNA. So this statement is equally wrong. Okay, they don't alter DNA, they don't alter the nucleus. mRNA, ribosomes, spike protein, immune response, mRNA degrades. Any statement saying alters DNA is wrong, immediately eliminate. Okay, look for extreme words. This was an extreme word. Process recall. mRNA, body makes spike protein, immune system learns mRNA, gone. Okay. So you need to understand how the questions are being framed and how they are used. Now it should be daily plan. Your daily plan should be, you can divide the blocks. Okay. Remember, avoid social media. Very important. Have blocks for static revision, PYQs. Review the old test. Then deep revision blocks. You can have 2 or 3 revision blocks which are deep. I mean, deeply you are revising it. Okay. Very important. Then there is a one block of solving questions, PYQs. Just solve questions of the same area that you've read. I've read polity, revise polity PYQs. And try to follow last 5 to 10 years PYQs more. Because old ones are easy. After last 5 years PYQs have changed a lot. The old ones will look very easy, simple, to the point. But the new ones will actually make you feel. Okay. And remember, the themes will repeat. The concept will repeat. For history, follow 30 years of PYQs. Okay. So these are things that if you do, your chances of clearing prelims will go up. It will not go down instead of finding a new material. So what I'll say, non-negotiable, minimum 20 PYQs or mock questions already given should be solved. One subject fully revised via active recall, one or half subject depending on. Error log, if you're making a test, note it down somewhere. If you have made error log of previous tests, go and see what mistakes you made, conceptual, factual, go and check them, revise them. Okay. No new material after the evening. Okay. Consistency in these will compound your effort. Now coming to the mental framework. Now you are in what mind you are right now. Your mental framework is all about how you show it. So are you feeling anxiety? Are you feeling down? Are you feeling that things will work or not in the exam? So moment there is anxiety. Anxiety is an energy. So what do? You channel it. You channel it into action. Because mind is very active. When there is anxiety, mind is very powerful, very actively, but it is working in the wrong direction. It is working negatively. You channelize it into real action. Write down your worry. Take a deep breath. Write down your worry and say, what is worrying me? Okay, maybe I'll not be able to clear prelims. Okay, fair enough. Write it down. Now let's see what you can do. Even if I clear prelims or not, does not matter. I'm going to give the best shot, and I will do what I can do today. Take a deep breath. 4, 4, 6. Very important. 4 deep in, 4 hold, and 6 breathe out. Morning affirmation. I have prepared. I will recall. I will act. When you say positive things, when you say positive words, when you are positive about yourself, then your body attracts positive things, and you are more focused. Okay. Eventually, result will come from action. Just thinking that my result will be positive will not become positive. You have to take action. Avoid any kind of WhatsApp group, marathon videos, marathon sessions. Okay. These are things which are there. If there is anxiety, it is normal. Now, one more thing, maintaining momentum and avoiding burnout. So don't try to study in a linear phase. Have a 90 days of focused block and then take a break. Okay, focused. Have some small. If you've done 20 PYQs done, okay, today's PYQs done, good. One revision block done, good. It's a micro win. Okay, take care of your body. Take care of it, because when you are healthy, your body is more active. Okay, physical activity 30 days, walk, exercise, and take sleep 6-7 hours. You can also have micro naps. Micro naps means maybe 10-15 minutes of intensive sleep or intensive relax your brain. Okay, this is the time you have to do that, and if you do that, believe me, things are going to be very effective. Revise, recall, repeat. Don't consume, retrieve. No new source. Deepen what you already have. PYQs are your compass. Use them effectively. 3 layers: PYQ, static and current affairs. Anxiety, channel it, don't hide it. If you do that, you are better prepared for the exam. Remember, every question you have solved was a practice for the exam. Revise it. Every mistake you analyzed was a preparation, not failure. Every mistake you made is an example of I have to improve it. Trust your preparation, trust your recall, trust yourself. Okay, your action right now: pick a subject, close notes, just try to recall everything, solve 10 PYQs on that subject, update your error log, and sleep. Okay, take care, God bless you, and just follow my video, be regular on this preparation updates. You get exactly right input for. God bless you. Bye.